it ever happen to you that you're trying so hard to cook a perfect brown rice, but at the end it ends up mushy and it's just like not looking like a rice texture, exactly like a white rice looks like? It's because you don't know the methods to cook the brown rice. There is a very special method that if you follow that method always to cook your brown rice, it doesn't matter if your rice is basmati or is any other type of rice of brown rice, you always end up with a perfect cooked rice which is not mushy and sticky. So let's head out to my kitchen and find out the right way to make the perfect brown rice. First step, wash your brown rice with lukewarm water or hot water and let all the dust to go away. Then fill the bowl of the brown rice with hot water and let it soak for 1 to 2 hours. After this time, on a high heat, place your pot and pour some oil in the pot. Drain the water. And add the brown rice to the hot oil. Add enough of salt and start frying the rice. You should continue to fry the rice until all the water in the rice evaporates and you feel when the pieces of the rice are about to stick on the bottom of the pot, which means there is no water left. Then that's the time that you have to stop frying and add water into the pot. The amount of the water you are adding into the pot is always 2 inches above the rice. Do not reduce the heat. We are going to cook the rice all with the high heat. Place the lid and let the rice start cooking and boiling. Let the rice to keep cooking until all the water is evaporated. As you see, almost all the water is evaporated and the rice is ready. It's not sticky at all. As you see, the pieces of the rice are completely separatable, just like the white rice, and it's not sticky at all. The rice is ready to serve. Enjoy.